everyone, welcome to Zricks.com. This is our sample flat of signature global Daxin, and this is a perfect 3 BHK sample apartment which comes with 3 bedrooms, and each and every bedroom has an attached balcony and washroom with it. So this is the family lounge, as you can see, and just opposite to it we have our dining area. Let's come and let's see the first room. So this is our first bedroom with a beautiful color combination, and of course this feels very luxurious and comfortable at the same time. Again, you are getting a personal wardrobe here. You can keep your belongings at this place, and also this is the balcony, and let's see the view. This is the view you are getting. This is the attached washroom. Now let's quickly see the second bedroom. This is our second bedroom, which comes with another beautiful color combination. This bedroom also has an attached balcony and a washroom. So this is the common balcony to the first and the second room, which is quite amazing. And let's see the kitchen. So this is our modular kitchen, which comes with the finest fittings, and the best thing is that in this kitchen also you are getting an attached balcony. Now let's see the third room. This is our third room. Wow, this is so beautiful. Look at this view. This is the attached balcony which comes with this room. This is the wardrobe. You can keep your things here, and this is the attached washroom. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the perfect place for your kids. Sample apartment comes with this kids section also. Your kids can come here. If you have any kids, they can come here and read books and enjoy their time here. And yes, this was all about our 3 BHK sample apartment. Every room has its attached balcony and washroom, and even this hall also has an attached balcony with it. You can see the view. This is so beautiful. Our WhatsApp community group, where each and every day we come with updates on different projects of different developers. So if you are someone who wants the best of the best opportunity, you can join our WhatsApp community group from the link given in the description. And if you want to learn more about this project, call us right now on the number given below, because our team is waiting for you.